I'm Justine Murphy with Vision Systems Design's Focus on Vision. There are a lot of exciting things happening in machine vision and imaging. Let's take a look. Vision 2024, the biennial show covering machine vision and imaging, is right around the corner, set for October 8th to the 10th in Stuttgart, Germany. More than 450 companies are slated to exhibit, which is a 20% increase over the 2022 event. Organizers say 1/3 of those companies are first-time exhibitors. A special feature during the event is Startup World, where attendees can learn about new companies in the machine vision arena. The show also features an educational component called Industrial Vision Days, which features 80 lectures from experts throughout the industry. And for the first time this year, those will include a group of scientific presentations, collectively called Scientific Vision Days. Landesmesse Stuttgart, the show's organizer, also will host guided tours through the exhibition hall. Each tour will focus on a separate industry, including food and beverage, semiconductors and electronics, and logistics. Vision Systems Design will also be at Vision 2024, so be sure to stop by and say hello. And stay tuned for a show wrap-up report later. Rider system and computer vision startup Terminal Industries are joining forces to develop a solution for automatically indexing and analyzing trucks and trailers in logistics yards, points in the supply chain where tractor-trailers transition goods between a logistics center and the open road, according to Fleet Owner, a Vision Systems Design partner publication. Operations in those logistics yards are typically performed manually and can be inefficient. To address this, Rider and Terminal completed their first successful pilot program in a Rider yard at an e-commerce fulfillment center in California. This involved capturing images of trucks as they entered the yard. Terminal's AI-enabled component then transmitted the data to a remote computing center for analysis. The new computer vision solution demonstrated it could capture license plates and Department of Transportation numbers with 99% accuracy for more than 10,000 trucks. A second pilot program was held in July, using a camera on a tablet computer to capture images on trucks parked at a Rider truck rental and maintenance facility in Texas. The developers say the system's algorithms interpret data accurately, even in less than ideal situations, like those with obscured license plates, handwritten Department of Transportation numbers, or inclement weather. A first-of-its-kind adaptive 3D printing system is poised to revolutionize bioresearch, making bioimaging and other related procedures quicker and much more efficient. This autonomous technology, developed by a team at the University of Minnesota Twin Cities, is designed to accelerate processes including cryopreservation, a technique for preserving biological materials like cells and tissues by cooling them to very low temperatures, cybernetics, which involves comparative study of automatic control systems such as the nervous system or the brain, and bioimaging. The setup incorporates a machine vision system to help identify randomly distributed organisms and their positions before safely moving them to specific locations for assembly. Basically, help transfer a single static organism from a liquid to a target location. In a series of experiments, the researchers used the system to boost cryopreservation of zebrafish embryos. They found the entire process could be completed 12 times faster than conventional manual processes. The team is now working toward making the new system portable for use in the field. That's it for this edition of Focus on Vision. Be sure to like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on social media and visit vision-systems.com to keep up with the most interesting and exciting news impacting the machine vision and imaging industry.